Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mercedes-Benz. Elevate every drive, experience luxury and performance in the 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML 350. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Well, look what we have here. It's the 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML 350, and it's a real stunner. This baby is powered by a 3.5L V6 engine that packs a punch with 302 horsepower and 273 ft-pounds of torque. That's right, you heard me correctly, it's got some serious power under the hood. Let's talk about the factory default features, shall we? This beauty comes in a Lunar Blue Metallic exterior, and the interior is Almond/Beige. It's got a sleek and stylish design that will turn heads on the road. But wait, there's more. This vehicle has good mileage with below 109,000 miles, averaging less than 10,000 miles per year. That's some pretty impressive mileage if you ask me. And let's not forget about the fuel efficiency. This vehicle gets 18 mpg in the city and 23 on the highway. So, not only will you look good driving it, but you also save some money at the pump. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about the condition of this vehicle. It's an excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.